Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video, we will learn how to delete some pages from the PDF. So this video will be in two parts. In the first part, we will learn how to delete any single page, and in another part, we will learn how to delete a page range from the PDF. So for deleting a single page, it is very easy. So let's see how to do. First we need to have one PDF that we will use for our example. So in my case we have this sample.pdf in the C drive, then PDF folder. Okay, so this PDF has 335 pages and we will use this in our project. So for using, let's create one file object. Old file, and here we will put path. So in the C drive, PDF folder, then sample.pdf. okay, now create one PD document object. PD document dot load, and here old file. Okay, so now we have one old file in this document, and use this document dot remove page, and here we need to put page index number. So index starts from 0. That means if you want to delete first page, you need to put 0 here. So let's put 0 for the first page. And now document dot save, and in the C drive deleted.pdf, in the C drive, in the then PDF folder, then result. Okay, and finally one message. Okay, so let's run this. Here you can see PDF created, and here in this source file we have 335 pages, and this is the first page and this is the second page. Now in the result we have this deleted PDF. It has 334 pages, and now this is the first page. Okay, so this was the process how to remove any single page. Now we will learn how to delete a page range, and for that we will use for loop. So in the for loop we will use same remove page method, and we will put I. But one more thing you need to remember, that use reverse for loop. Okay, so let me show why. For example, we have one PDF which has 10 pages, and you want to remove first 4 pages. So when the for loop run first time, the I value will be 1, and then the first page will be delete. Next time for loop will run, the I value will be 2, then it will delete this page, because next time this page will be first page. Okay, so for example, first time this for loop is running and you have deleted this first page. Okay, now second time for loop is running and you want to delete second page. So at this time second page is this. Next time for loop will run and you want to delete third page. So at this time third page is this. So this is not a good idea to use this method. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to use reverse for loop. So Ctrl Z, and now first you need to delete fourth page. So fourth page is this. Now you need to delete third page. So third page is this. Now you need to delete second page. Second page is this. And now you need to delete first page. So first page is this. Okay, so this is the reason why we need to use reverse for loop. Okay, so let's see the example. Here remove this, and we need to first create int object for the range. So int page range start equal to 1. Okay, so we need to delete a page range from 1 to 20. Now for int I equal to page range end. Okay, so we are using reverse for loop. I is greater than equal to page range start I minus minus, and here document dot remove page I minus 1. This minus 1 because page index number it starts from 0. Okay, so that's why we are using minus 1 here. Now after this for loop we will save the document and then print. Okay, so let's run once again. So PDF created, and here we have this source file which has 335 pages, and in the result we have this deleted file which have 315 pages. Okay, so 20 pages deleted from this PDF. Okay, so you can check this at your end how it is working. So friends, this is enough for this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also share this video. In this channel you can get more videos about Android and Java related. So please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.